Best baby diaper bag for mothers. Baby bucket baby diaper bag. Baby bucket baby diaper nappy changing bag, convenient for every new mummy. The bag has a quite large space and great layout, 8 pockets for holding everything of your baby. The shoulder strap is adjustable and easily attached to most strollers. It lets you keep your diapers organized and in one place. Capacity and dimension. The bag has a large capacity which can carry all your baby's essential stuff. It can be easily hung on your shoulder and can be attached to the stroller easily. Quality. For a diaper bag that can not only accommodate diapers but also other stuff that belongs to your baby, look no further than Baby Bucket diaper bag. Fabric. The bag is made of fine quality fabric, that is, microfiber on the outside and polyester lining on the inside. It is suggested to wash the bag with special care and do not use bleach on it. Multi-use. The bag can be used for keeping other things also apart on diapers, which makes it a perfect bag for traveling with your infant. Motherly baby diaper bag. It weighs 650 grams, length 42 cm, breadth 26 cm, height 14 cm. This bag is made of 100% polyester, waterproof fabric. Zippers are sturdy. Anti-theft mobile pocket at the back and 2 D-rings for stroller attachments and side tissue pocket with no zipper, which makes it convenient to pull out tissues. Convenient tissue pocket at the side, 2 wide 5 cm shoulder straps, 2 D-rings for stroller attachments, 1 back mobile pocket, 1 separate zip at the back that leads directly to the interior of the bag, makes this a high utility diaper bag. Perfect size. Neither too bulky nor too small, quite spacious, print feel vibrant, fabric type make it very easy to remove stains, if any. Overall material quality is very good, including zippers, inside material and pocket material. Motherly stylish baby's diaper bags. Bag includes 1 diaper bag, 1 insulated milk bottle cover, 1 diaper changing mat, and 1 set of stroller hook. You can fit in any 2 bottles up to 20 cm in length and 9 cm in width along with 2 spoons. The material used is Oxford waterproof fabric, which is easy to wipe and clean. The zippers, rivets, and the buttons used will never rust or give out. Convenient tissue pocket, keyring hook, D-ring for stroller attachment, back mobile pocket, mesh pocket separation, 2 milk bottle compartments, 2 spoon compartments, 6 internal pockets, and 1 separate zip at the back that leads directly to the interior of the bag. Men and women both can carry it. Lots of pockets. Bag and other accessories are good quality. Easy zip opening and closing system. Very useful product for mommies, especially when traveling. Very spacious, many separate compartments for easy access. Fabric quality, zip quality are all good. Stroller rings are good, holds a good amount of weight. A separate zip opening for accessing items in the bottom of the bag is very useful. Best baby diaper bag for mothers.